Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LedgerLive for crypto portfolio management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, ensure you have your Ledger device ready. Connect your Ledger device to your computer using the USB cable. Power on your device by pressing the button. Enter your PIN code to unlock the device. Once unlocked, open the Ledger Live application on your computer. If you don't have Ledger Live installed, download it from the official Ledger website. After launching the application, select Get Started. Choose Open Ledger Live to continue. You will be prompted to connect your device if you haven't already. Confirm that your device is connected. On the Ledger Live welcome screen, click on Login. You may see a prompt asking you to allow Ledger Live access. Press the buttons on your Ledger device to approve the connection. After approving, the application will take a moment to sync with your device. Once synced, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. Enter your password if you set one during the initial setup. If this is your first time using Ledger Live, follow the setup instructions to create your password. Upon successful login, you'll see your crypto portfolio displayed on the dashboard. You can now manage your cryptocurrencies directly through Ledger Live. Explore the various features such as sending, receiving, and checking your balance. Be sure to regularly update the app for the best security and performance. And that's how you log into Ledger Live for effective crypto portfolio management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.